Welcome to Get Paid with Apps, where we review applications to help you earn a little bit of money on the side. Today we're going to be talking about Earn FM, which pays you passive income just for sharing your unused internet bandwidth. Alright, here's what the Earn FM app looks like inside. I've been running it for about a week, 7 days, and this is what the results are. Almost 9 cents in that time. So I'm running the app on my phone. I've read elsewhere that if you just put it on your computer, your PC, and let it run, that you actually make more money that way. To cash out, the options are crypto, those 3 options there, and then you can also do a gift card for Starbucks and Amazon, and then there's also PayPal. So like I said, the earnings aren't great. Maybe try it on your computer if you've got one sitting around that's just doing nothing 24 hours a day. But also keep in mind that earnings are different from each region, each area, depending on where you live, depending on the speed of your internet connection. So there's a lot of factors, and each person will earn a little bit more or even maybe a little bit less than what I earned in this week. So just keep all of that in mind. And then just all you have to do is click the button up at the top there to connect and earn, and it'll just start sharing your internet bandwidth if you've never used an app like that before. It says that it won't slow down the speed and the connection in your home, but it might a little, it might not. It's just something you kind of have to play around with and see how it affects other things that you're doing on the internet at the time. Now, the good thing about it is if you sign up with my link, which will be in the description, you will get an automatic $5 for free just for trying out the app. But with that, the minimum payout is $15. Now, there's another app that does exactly the same thing that this one does that I've been using for a number of years, and it's called Honeygain. And Honeygain just shares your unused internet bandwidth as well, but it seems to do it a little bit more efficiently and a little bit better. And then it's also got every day you can open a lucky pot for just some free extra credits and whatnot. And then there's achievements and badges that you can earn that'll increase your credits. And then as far as the earnings go, I missed a few days when I was out of town, and it seemed like it was a lot higher at the beginning of the month than it was at the end. But with all of this is almost $1.60 that I've earned in the last 30 days, which could probably be a little bit more if I would have had the thing running the whole time. But definitely a lot more than what Earn FM was earning. And then it also says that they'll give you a 30% boost if you run it on your computer versus running it on the app, which I'm doing right here. And then if you sign up with my link for Honeygain that I'll also have in the description, you'll get $3 for free just for signing up, doing nothing. So you can sign up for both of these apps today, and you can run both of them at the same time. It doesn't matter. You can run several of these internet bandwidth sharing apps, and you know, if it starts to slow down your internet and you hate it, just turn one of them off. But you can, I've ran 5 of them, different ones at a time before, and never really noticed a difference. So put them both on your phone, put them both on your computer. You can earn $8 today just for signing up for both, and then it's just passive income. And for Honeygain, you can cash out at $20 is the minimum, and it's through PayPal. And then they have their own crypto called Jump tokens, which I haven't really messed with at all. I just use the PayPal. That's going to do it for Earn FM. If you are interested in other apps, just go to getpaidwithapps.com, and you'll find a whole bunch of apps there. You can sign up today and start making money immediately. We'll see you in the next video.